So we plug in the cord, and now we're going to push the dryer back. The outlet vent is okay. Push it, and now we're going to start it. Have clothes in, and we're going to start it. And that's it. Very simple, easy project. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. I'm in my laundry room. Today I'm going to share with you another DIY video. So in my laundry room, I have washer and dryer. And when it comes to dryer, it can be a gas dryer or electrical dryer. If you have a gas dryer, then it's very simple and easy hookup. You hook up the gas pipeline and then you plug in the electrical cord. So when it comes to electrical dryer, it can be easy or it can be a nightmare. Why I'm saying it, your electrical dryer come with the 3-prong cord. The situation gonna come, how are you gonna hook up 3-prong into 4-prong? Then you're left with the 2 alternates. The first alternate is easy, is if you have a 3-prong on your electrical dryer, you can switch it to 4-prong, and I will share with you how to do it. The second alternate is the wall outlet itself. You can change that to 3-prong or 4-prong. That can be a little effort, and as for the cost saving, it's always advisable to use the cord. Easier to change it, you need a Phillips screwdriver. If you have a drill, the screwdriver, then it's a perfect. So the first step will be, I'll bring the electrical dryer in front, then I'll share with you how we're going to change it. So let's get started. This is what I meant. This is the 3-prong, and this one has a 4-prong. In my case, I have a 3-prong on my dryer. I'm going to take this one off and I'm going to replace with the 4-prong since my wall outlet is 4-prong. So I'll show you how to change it. So right now I'm sitting back of the dryer, and this is the 3-prong I have right now. So the situation is I have a 4-prong. So as I mentioned, either you change this or change this. This is much easier to change it. So I have bought the 4-prong, and the difference is now the wiring. This one has a 4 wiring compared to the one existing 3. This one won't fit into this one, but this 4-prong will fit. So I'll show you how we're going to change this wiring. So let me bring the camera on the back. On the back of the dryer, we're going to open this screw. So if we look at on the back, these are the 3 wires. One wire here is a white wire that goes on external ground. Prior to open these 3 wires, we're going to open this clamp. This clamp holds the wire in place when you're pulling the dryer. Then this one helps the wire not to pull out. So we're going to first open these 2 clamps. These are the long screws. So we're going to open these clamps. Don't throw these away, we're going to use it again. Just make sure that don't lose the screws. After removing the screws, now we can pull this wire out. Don't throw this one away, keep it for future use. Now this is the other one. So we're going to put it inside, and if you notice that this one has a 4 wire. Black, white, red and green. Green is ground. So what we're going to do, this one has existing ground, which is external ground, and that we're going to put as a neutral. So we're going to use the neutral right in the middle, and then 4 the cord, we're going to use the ground right here. So we're going to open it also. Use a plier to open it. And you can put this one inside. The ground goes on the body, which is green. With the help of plier, tighten it. The black goes on the first one. And the white goes in the middle. The red one goes on the side. So once it's all tightened, to make sure that we're going to put these clamps back. First hand tight, then use the screwdriver. That's it. Tighten it. We're going to put the plate back and final screw. And that's it. So as you've seen it, it's very simple. This is a 3-prong cord. I changed it to 4-prong. Now I'm going to put this one into the wall outlet, push my dryer back, and we're going to enjoy the electrical dryer. So I hope this video will help you out in your DIY project. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And in case if you have a scenario where you're going to change 4-prong to 3-prong, I'm going to post another video on my channel, so please check it out. Easy steps cooking. For delicious cooking recipes, please visit my channel. I'll see you again with another DIY project. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Push it. Have clothes in. And we're going to start it. And that's it. Very simple, easy project.